Beyond the oceans of Earth, past the limits of our atmosphere, and far beyond the stretch of our dreams, lies a vast and eternal mystery. The Milky Way, a galaxy composed of billions of stars, planets, and cosmic wonders, stretching across 100,000 light-years, an incomprehensible distance that our minds can only attempt to grasp. As we gaze up at the night sky, we see its brilliance, but few know its true scale. Few understand the forces that hold it all together. Few realize the journey that takes place every moment within this cosmic river of light, dust, and gas. Now, imagine yourself aboard a vessel of exploration, our ship to the stars. It is no longer just a dream, but a voyage into the unknown. We hurtle through the vastness of space, traversing distances so immense that time itself begins to blur. At this scale, the boundaries between the finite and the infinite dissolve. Stars that appear to us as mere pinpricks of light are, in fact, celestial bodies, some older than the Earth, some young enough to still be in the process of birth. As we journey forward, we pass through the heart of stellar nurseries, nebulae. These are not mere clouds of gas and dust. They are the birthplaces of the stars themselves. Within these stellar nurseries, the building blocks of the universe come together: hydrogen, helium, and dust. These simple elements come together under the pull of gravity, forming the seeds of stars, the very elements from which our own bodies are crafted. These nebulae stretch across the universe like ethereal tapestries, creating new stars even as the old ones fade away. They shine with all the energy of creation itself, reminding us that life is not static. It is a continual process of rebirth. We move deeper into the galaxy, and the stars begin to crowd closer, drawn toward one another by an invisible force. This is the spiral arm of the Milky Way, a vast spiral that, from a distance, looks like a great swirling whirlpool of light. The stars here are not randomly scattered. They are part of a grand design, an intricate dance, each one moving along its own path but bound together by gravity, forever interacting, influencing one another in ways we can hardly begin to understand. The closer we get, the more we feel it, the rhythm of the universe, the beat of the galaxy's heart. The stars that surround us now are older, wiser in their cosmic way. Some have burned for billions of years, their energy radiating across the galaxy, providing warmth and light to countless planets. Others are just beginning their journeys, only now beginning to burn with the light of life. Each star is a testament to the processes of the universe: nuclear fusion, the collision of particles, the release of energy, an endless cycle of creation. And though they may seem solitary in the vastness of space, they are not alone. Each star has companions, planets, moons, asteroids, all drawn into a cosmic waltz choreographed by the hand of gravity. As we approach the center of the galaxy, we feel the pull of gravity growing stronger. Here, in the dense region surrounding the galactic core, stars are packed so tightly that they seem to form an impenetrable wall of light. These stars, ancient and rare, orbit something that we cannot see, something whose power and force shape the very destiny of the galaxy. But what is this unseen presence that governs all? What force binds these stars, compelling them to move in such precise orbits? We are nearing the source of the galaxy's heartbeat, the center of all that is, where the laws of physics are stretched to their limits. At the heart of the Milky Way, there lies an enigma, a force so powerful that it bends not just the fabric of space, but the very fabric of time itself. This is where our journey takes an unexpected turn, for we are approaching the most mysterious and most powerful object in the galaxy, a supermassive black hole. It is named Sagittarius A*, and its presence is felt across the entire galaxy, its gravity shaping the paths of every star, every planet, and every particle in the vicinity. A black hole is no ordinary object. It is an anomaly, a singularity where the normal rules of space and time cease to apply. Imagine, if you will, an object so dense that it warps space itself, bending light and time in ways we can hardly comprehend. Anything that ventures too close to a black hole crosses a threshold known as the event horizon, the point beyond which nothing can escape, not even light. Once you cross that boundary, you are lost to the black hole forever, sucked into its infinite depths where even time stretches and bends into the unknown. But the black hole, as destructive as it may seem, is not merely a force of death. It is, paradoxically, a force of creation. It is the engine that powers the galaxy, keeping it bound together. Without the black hole's incredible gravity at the center, the stars in the Milky Way would not remain in their delicate orbits. The galaxy would spin apart, losing its structure. The black hole is not just a point of no return. It is the anchor that keeps everything in place. Look at the accretion disk surrounding the black hole, a swirl of gas, dust, and matter, caught in a cosmic whirlpool. This is where the invisible meets the visible, where matter is drawn in, heated to unimaginable temperatures, and converted into pure energy. As matter is consumed, it is transformed, becoming part of the black hole itself. This is the process of destruction and creation, side by side. Every atom, every photon that falls into the black hole contributes to the fabric of the universe in ways we cannot yet understand. It is as if the black hole is recycling the universe, pulling in the old, and creating the conditions for something new to emerge. As we pull back from the event horizon and gaze at the entire galaxy, we begin to see the bigger picture. The Milky Way is a living, breathing entity. It is a cosmic organism, constantly evolving, constantly in motion. Stars are born, live their lives, and die in spectacular explosions. Black holes, like Sagittarius A*, are not just destructive forces. They are the architects of galactic evolution. The galaxy itself is a vast network, each star and planet connected to the others by the invisible thread of gravity. It is a place of constant change, where the old makes way for the new, and where life and death are part of the same cosmic cycle. And so, we come to realize that the journey to the center of the Milky Way is not just a journey through space. It is a journey through time, through the very fabric of existence. We are connected to this vast, cosmic dance in ways we cannot fully comprehend. The stars that light our sky, the black holes that govern the galaxy's motion, and the planets that circle them. All of these are part of a greater whole, a system of creation and destruction that stretches far beyond our understanding. And as we gaze upon this great river of light, we understand that we are not separate from it. We are a part of it. For as we look upon the Milky Way and the billions of stars it contains, we are reminded of something profound, that we, too, are part of this grand story. The stars are our ancestors, and the black holes are the keepers of the galaxy's secrets. We are all part of an endless cycle, a journey without beginning or end. And as we move forward, we will continue to explore, to learn, and to discover new wonders in the vast and infinite universe that awaits us.